LOL, BFF, IDK. Think about how convenient it is to send a text message. With the typing of a few letters on a mobile device, you can send a message for someone else to read. Well, long before there were cell phones and text messages, there were telegraphs and Morse code. Morse code is a communication system that represents the alphabet and numbers with a series of dots, dashes, or a combination of both. The dots are the short sounds and are also known as dits. The dashes are the long sounds and are also known as das. Because you can also tap out the dots and dashes, Morse code can be both seen and heard. Can you guess who created Morse code? His name was Samuel Morse, go figure. And he created the code in the 1830s in response to the invention of the telegraph, which he also created. The telegraph was a machine that sent and received messages by sending electric currents on a wire. By using a series of electrical pulses, short bursts of electric energy, the telegraph could then make marks on a piece of paper. But those marks would not mean anything without a code. Thus, Morse code was born. Although originally the telegraph made marks on paper tape, which then had to be translated, telegraph operators became so good at just listening and understanding the code that the paper was quickly replaced with a receiver for listening. By 1866, a telegraph line was placed from Europe to the United States in order to be able to send Morse code messages across the Atlantic Ocean. Morse code